Hi, I'm Ashley. Welcome to Why Not Bartending. Today we're going to learn how to make a Greyhound. A Greyhound is a very simple and easy two-step cocktail. Now first you're going to grab the cocktail glass of your choice. Then you'll fill the glass with ice. A Greyhound is a very popular cocktail that you should know how to make. Second, this recipe calls for 1.5 ounces of vodka. Today I will be using my jigger and measuring out 1.5 ounces. Of course, you can use the free-pour method, which would be you counting essentially to 6, and the speed that I kind of use for a free-pour is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that would essentially get you the same ounces of alcohol as using the jigger. Last but not least, you're gonna grab your fresh grapefruit juice and fill the rest of your glass with it. This cocktail calls for a lime garnish, so you just add that to the rim. And that's it, now you know how to make a Greyhound. If there are any cocktails or recipes you'd like to see on this channel, feel free to comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you next time. Cheers.